को जोड़कर मैंने वीडियो बनाया है, आपको मज़ा आएगा, देखिए। थैंक यू।
मम्मी एक गिलास पानी दे दो। मम्मा प्लीज दे दो ना।
You want to do bacon pancakes? Okay. Bacon pancakes, making bacon pancakes, bacon pancakes, making bacon pancakes, bacon pancakes, making bacon pancakes, bacon pancakes, making bacon pancakes.
Max, I knew you was gonna do.
Miles, what are you doing?
Leave me alone.
All right.
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 Leave me alone.
Connor, just go back to sleep. Thank you.
Hello, baby. Oh!
Say bitch ass nigga. Say it. Say it. Say it. You can say it.
You don't even love me. You just want my snacks.
Dodge, can you spot a dumbass bitch?
Do you want to go for a ride? Or how about let's go take a bath?
What did you bring in from outside, huh? Is it a stick? Yes, it is. Yes, it is a stick. Yes, it is. Yes.
Is it the outlet? Is it the outlet? Are we yelling at the outlet? What did you do?
And then she tried to do it again, and I was like, are you dumb? Because that just doesn't make sense. Like, it just wasn't getting through to her that everything that was going down for a reason. She wasn't trying to
Go to the doctor. You're adopted. Yeah, you're not mine. You're adopted. Yeah.
Riley, are you sad? No.
I need to tell you something, but you gotta come here so I can whisper it to you.
You look like a potato.
Roddy, I got bad news for you. Robert's eating your food.
Let me see your smile.
Brisket, do you want to go to Dunkin' Donuts?
Luna, can you say hello?
Do you want to come over and cuddle with me? No? Yeah? Okay. Bye-bye.
Yeah.
Tiger, go in.
고돌이, 이게 뭐야?
Am I walking you or you walking me?
Where's you going? You just gonna leave me?
I'm pooping.
Who just took a shit on this man's head?
Ready?
Happy guy. Oh, just a happy guy.
Get stuck on my teeth.